Okay, so for this video, we're going to look at a couple of statistical functions and how to apply them to a large data set. So this one is going to be a little interesting. We're going to be using the minimum, maximum, average, mode, and median functions to find the corresponding part of the data. And what I did to create this data series is use a random number generator between 1 and 50. And so our minimum should be 1, our maximum should be 50. I'd be interested to see what the average and the median are. They should both be around 25. And the mode is, it's questionable. I have no idea what that one might be. But that's just kind of a good understanding of the data set before we do this. Just if some of these numbers look very simplistic. But this is just a demonstration on how to use these functions. So the first one is minimum. This is used to pull, and it's just equals min parentheses. And this is used to pull the smallest number out of a data series. And so we'll just highlight this entire array, hit enter, and yep. So our minimum number there is 1. And for the maximum, we'll be using the max function, equals max. And again, just highlight your entire data series and hit enter, and our maximum is 50. And so that was expected. Our average, on the other hand, be interesting to see what that is. I'm guessing around 25. But the average is the exact same thing as the mean. And you're just taking every single, it's adding up all the numbers in the series and dividing it by the number of numbers present. The equals average, and we'll go ahead and highlight the entire series. Enter. So our average is 26.8-ish, and we can actually knock that down. If we go up here, we can determine how many decimals we want. We don't need to be super accurate. So that's kind of interesting to see. That shows that more numbers greater than 25 were randomly generated than less. And now we'll go on to the mode, which is equals, and then just type in mode, and go ahead and highlight the entire series, enter. So the most commonly occurring number is 26 in this series, and the median is the number, if everything was lined up, it doesn't matter what numbers they are, but if every one of them was lined up, you go to the exact middle one. That's the median. And the median is helpful because the median is better than the average when you have outliers. So if I had like a 200 or a 300 in this data series, that would cause my mean to have a higher than average, higher than it should be. And so the median excludes the outliers and gives you more concise, more accurate data if you do have large outliers. So median, we'll go ahead and highlight the entire data series, enter. And interesting to see our median is also 26.5. All right, so that's kind of a cool little test, an introduction to some of the basic statistical functions used in Excel, and you can apply to larger data sets to help you take apart the information and better understand it. All right, so I hope that helped. Have a nice day.